everyone, Lawrence here with the single most important video in the entire 6.5 year history of this channel. You know, Computex is going on, lots of really interesting new technology, but this channel is called Unicorn Reviews and I haven't done a single thing about unicorns in the history of this channel. So all of that changed when I found out this exists. Kellogg's Unicorn Fruit Loops. So in this video we're going to review Unicorn Fruit Loops. Now, as usual on this channel, we're going to start with a physical overview, and the packaging on these cornflakes, well, they're going to have your 5-year-old be really annoying when you get to a supermarket. I got this lovely unicorn on here with like a very colorful picture and rainbows and colors and all sorts of stuff, and nobody cares about the silly amount of calories that are in this. But first of all, let's have a look at the ingredients, because this is what you'll be reading when you're eating them. Unless you're on your phone, but this is probably for kids, and kids probably don't have phones, or at least I didn't have one when I was a kid. But these are the ingredients. I can't read it. And what's even worse is the font is just unreadable. It gets even worse on the other side. Now, if we look at the nutritional value of the Unicorn Fruit Loops, this is bonkers. So it's almost 400,000 calories per 100 grams. For you Americans, that's probably 20 Fahrenheit per football field or something, I don't know. A whopping 80% of what you eat is carbohydrates. 25% of what you eat is just pure sugar. So give this to your 5-year-old and they're going to be very active. Now, what is important is there is no artificial coloring or flavors added. And as a very nice extra bonus, there's a little drawing of the unicorn on here, so you can color it while you're eating. Unless if you have to get ready for school and then your parents get really upset because you're not eating your breakfast, you're just coloring. Now, as with most overpriced things, unboxing experience very important. So this is actually fairly similar to most other cornflakes. It's just cardboard box with like one of these semi-reusable flaps that you can close again, but let's be realistic, this stuff will dry out and get really just cardboardy tasty very quickly. And then inside, just a little plastic bag to kill whatever is left in the ocean. So installing the Unicorn Fruit Loops into your favorite breakfast bowl, actually not that difficult. All you do is grab the box and you can just pour it in like so. Very easy. Then you're met with this beautiful RGB breakfast with, well, I guess about 500 calories already. But then we get to the cool part, which is adding milk. Now, if you're watching this from the US, don't be scared. This is just milk in a bottle, okay? We kind of do it like this here in Europe. I know it makes 0 sense at all to put milk in a bottle, but that's the way it goes. Very important, guys, put the cow juice in after you put the cereal in, not the other way around. Oh boy, this is exciting. Whew. Unicorn Fruit Loops. Let's see what it's like. We're gonna start with a pink one. I have no idea what it tastes like. I literally can't put a taste on it. That's okay. I want to go with a yellow one now, or just let's go with 3 yellow ones. Yeah. Slight tint of honey in there, but that's about all I can really say. And then there's also another color, brown purple like. Again, I can't really put a taste on it. I have literally no idea what... Oh, there's also orange. There's this orange color. Orange tastes bad. So let's just go for a full spoon. Okay, so the combination of all the different colors tastes a lot better than just going one by one. So I think they really made a very nice assortment of unicorn colored Fruit Loops. I honestly cannot tell you what it's supposed to taste like because it could be whatever. But guys, if you liked this video as much as I like doing really stupid stuff on this channel, give this video a thumbs up. or hit the subscribe button or the bell icon. Oh my god, that would be awesome. But for now, massive thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.